Most people just guess where to put their money. 401k, Roth IRA, a bit of both. If you're just splitting your contributions 50-50, you're likely leaving thousands of dollars on the table. There is a hidden logic to maximizing every single dollar. I've spent years analyzing the tax codes and the mathematical frameworks used by the top 1% of wealth builders. The secret isn't just how much you save, it's the exact order in which you invest it. Today, we're stripping away the jargon. I'm giving you the $100 decision tree. This is a step-by-step map that tells you exactly where your next $100 should go to maximize your tax breaks and explode your long-term growth. By the end of this video, the guessing game is over. You'll have a concrete, mathematical plan for every cent you earn. So you've got an extra $100. You want to invest it, but then you stop. Because suddenly, you're faced with a choice. Do you put it in your 401k, your Roth IRA, or maybe just a standard brokerage account? You go online for answers. One expert says Roth is king because of the tax-free growth. Another says 401k is the only way to go for the immediate tax break. It feels like a coin flip. But here is the scary part. Guessing is expensive. This isn't just about where $100 goes today. It's about the compounding effect over the next 30 years. A simple mistake, like ignoring your employer match or choosing the wrong tax bucket for your income bracket, doesn't cost you a few dollars. It costs you thousands, maybe tens of thousands in lost growth. That is the difference between retiring comfortably at 55 or grinding until you're 70 because you left money on the table. Most people just pick one and hope for the best. They pray they aren't making a massive tax mistake that they'll only discover decades from now. You don't need a PhD in accounting to stop the guessing game. You just need a logical system to follow. Stop guessing where your money goes. Most people treat their retirement accounts like a coin flip. But wealth building isn't a gamble. It's a sequence. To maximize every cent, we use the decision tree method. This is the exact logical path for your next $100. Let's build it. Step 1. Look at your employer-sponsored 401k. Do they offer a match? If they match 3% or 5%, that is an immediate 100% return on your investment. There is no index fund or crypto coin on Earth that guarantees a 100% return instantly. If you aren't hitting the match, you are literally taking a pay cut. Put your first $100 here until the match is maxed. Now, before we go further, we have to plug the leak. High-interest debt. If you have credit card debt at 20% interest, that is a financial emergency. Investing for a 7% return while paying 20% interest is like trying to fill a bucket with a giant hole in the bottom. Your next $100 goes toward killing that high-interest debt. Once the debt is gone, we move to the power play. Step 3, the Roth IRA. This is where the magic happens. With a 401k, you save on taxes now, but you pay them later. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes now, but you never pay them again. Imagine your $100 grows to $1,000 over 20 years. In a Roth, you keep every single penny of that growth. The IRS gets zero. Max this out next. Now, if you still have money left over, we circle back to the 401k. Why? Because now we're looking for a tax shield. Every dollar you put into a traditional 401k lowers your taxable income today. If you're in a high tax bracket, this is a massive win. Push your contributions here until you hit the annual limit. Finally, if you've maxed the match, killed the debt, filled the Roth, and topped off the 401k, you've reached the final branch, the taxable brokerage account. No tax perks here, but total flexibility. You can withdraw this money whenever you want without penalties. This is your early retirement or dream home fund. Now, knowing where to put your money is step 1. Step 2 is actually opening the account. If you don't have a brokerage yet, I've linked my top recommendations in the description. Whether you want a hands-off robo-advisor that manages everything for you, or full control with a powerhouse broker, these are the platforms I trust for my own money. Imagine this: 10 years from now, you aren't stressing about inflation or job security. You're watching your wealth snowball because you stopped guessing and started following a system. That is the difference between saving and strategic investing. If this roadmap cleared the fog for you, hit that like button and subscribe to join a community of professionals building true financial independence. Check the links in the description to open your account and put your first $100 to work today.